Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a stainless steel floating wall shelf, kind of a container shelf. If I can open it, I'll show you what it is here. Okay. So here we go. Oh, okay, guess I've got to, don't know if I'm going to be able to slide it out of this. Okay, here we go. So this is what the shelf looks like here. Oop, looks nice and black. And there it comes with the screws right there, screw holes, so you can screw it into your wall. And it comes with, it looks like here, we have some cleaning stuff here. What is this here? It says stickers, directions for use. Kind of explains how to connect it up there, there, and then we have our screws in there. So the way it will work is it will go onto the wall, screw it in, and then it'll be a nice shelf. You can see right there. So I'm just going to show you it up here. It is very well made. It's very strong. You can see I can't bend it open or anything like that. If you need it in the shower to hold shampoos or on a shelf to hold keys or water bottles or something like that, I think we're going to put it by our doorway at our house, and we have a bunch of people, as the kids come back each day with their water bottles, they can just kind of stick them in there, get them ready for school and things like that. So it kind of gives it the ability to have a nice shelf on the wall, and it doesn't have brackets underneath it or anything like that, because this is going to screw directly in. And it comes with the little anchor bolts and even the little black caps that'll cover it up so it'll look nice. So this is a cool little shelf here. So if you need one of these, this one here is solid as can be. Very nice. Thumbs up.